You know he, when I don't backslide in my passions and in my prayers, when I no get the occupation, only you see my potentials. I don't even keep up with my family, barely even post my picture on Insta. Cannot deny that I got issues, sadly.